Some people think if you go to Vietnam, you'll be living in an old building like this.
Or maybe down an alley that looks like this.
Well, you can if you want, but for a relatively low cost, you can also live in a modern apartment with all these luxuries.
Follow me and I will show you a modern Vietnam apartment in Hanoi.
This is what modern Vietnam looks like. We are in Hanoi at an area called Time City.
This is where we live now, all the way up there. Here's a view looking down for our balcony.
We used to live in the old quarter of Hanoi. You can check that place out with this link.
Let's start the tour.
This is our bathroom in here. And then we have the kitchen. Look at this cool feature. You can see Daddy outside. So right next to the kitchen we have the table, and we have a living room over here, which is, we have Netflix on this TV at Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. They have a bathroom in here. And then this is our parents' pantry. Yeah, right over there. And look at their view. Have a great view. And take a look at these weird light switches. They're in the whole apartment. They're buttons. That's to turn it on, and you have to push them to make them blue to turn them off, which is kind of cool. Yep, this is me and Ray and I's bedroom, right here. And then we have the room nice, where we hang our clothes to dry right there. Yeah. That was all for today. At this place, there are 2 swimming pools, lots of playgrounds, and even a huge shopping mall. So that's our apartment in Hanoi, Vietnam. To rent this modern 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a pool and amenities cost us $48 Canadian per day for a family of 4. I love my daddy.